Hello to you all. You're welcome to the channel. In this lesson, we are going to look at another example of how to find the differential equation when we are given the general solution. So here we have y is equal to c sine x. So in this case, c is a arbitrary constant, and since it contains only one arbitrary constant, it means we are going to have a differential equation of order 1. And if it is of order 1, it means we are just going to differentiate this function or the general solution once. In the previous lesson, we looked at if it were the number of arbitrary constants determines the number of differentiations you do. Okay, so let's move on to the solution. So since we are just going to differentiate once, the derivative of this is going to be what? We have y prime to be equal to c cos x. Are we all there? So what we are going to do is name this as equation 1, name this as equation 2. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make c the subject in both equations. So from equation 1, c is going to be y over sine x. And from equation 2, c is going to be what? Y prime over cos x. So mathematically, we are saying since c is equal to y over sine x and c is equal to y prime over cos x, we can equate these to the right hand side. Okay, so let me use a different color. Equating the right hand side, we'll have c to be equal to y over sine x being equal to y prime over cos x. So I'm just going to now work with this. I'm now going to work with this. So what are we going to do now? We can decide to cross multiply. So sine x goes here, cos x goes here. So we'll end up with y prime sine x being equal to y cos x. Then we can write them as this: y prime sine x minus y cos x being equal to 0. And this is our first order differential equation, where our general solution is what? Y is equal to, what was the general solution? C sine x. This was the general solution. I hope you understand. So always remember that the number of arbitrary constants will determine the order of a differential equation. Thank you, and I hope you understand.